guys, it's Neal with Stack Equipment, your 5-paw premier Coyote dealership for the upstate, #1 servicing provider in the nation, and we're here today to talk about the all-new KIOTI CS2530 series cab subcompact tractor. Alright guys, the CS2530 is the newest in the lineup of CS tractors from KIOTI, compact and subcompact tractors that are known for their power. This is going to be perfect for anyone on a residential that uses a mid-mount mower. Perhaps you want to add the backhoe to the rear here if you're on a property maybe anywhere 5 acres or under that you're wanting to manage or take care of. It's going to be the perfect tractor to keep you cool and comfortable while you're working those long days. So the CS2530 is the first subcompact tractor to hit North America that has a fully enclosed cab, heat, air, radio, all on a subcompact frame. Let's hop in the cab and check out some of the features. So very comfortable cab. It does have this 9-inch infotainment display for phone, music, radio. It does have the telematics on here as well as a backup camera on the cab model CS. Lots of visibility. I don't think I'd have any problem seeing around me while I'm working. So it does come with the standard tilt steering wheel from KIOTI, making it very comfortable. You can lean back and still be able to control this. The all-new dash does display the outdoor temperature, time, as well as what gear you're in, how many hours on the machine, whereas before the little digital on the other CS models just shows you the hours here. So it's really neat to see what they've put in a cab on a CS. An impressive 7 gallons per minute hydraulic flow here on the new CS2530. More than enough power to power this front end loader as well as a backhoe attachment. The CS2530 KIOTI tractor has a impressive 18.5 horsepower at the PTO at 540 RPM. Also included on the new CS subcompact model is the connection for the KIOTI Connect app, which is the telematics that can provide location, performance, and diagnostic assets. And the KIOTI Connect app is a free app that you can download on your phone, and when you purchase your tractor, we can get you set up on your phone. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video today. You can check out our full lineup of KIOTI tractors, skid steers, UTVs, and zero turns, including the new CS2530 cab subcompact tractor at stackequipment.com, as well as view our full inventory of implements and attachments and other resources and services that we provide.